Hi everyone, welcome to Learning with Alia. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the demonstrative pronouns. If you're new here, make sure to click on that subscribe button. Let's get started. The special pronouns we are going to learn today are this, that, these, and those. Imagine there are few crayons on your table. Look at the crayons. Some belong to you. This is mine. And some do not. That is not mine. Some crayons are green. These are green. Some crayons are blue. Those are blue. In these sentences, these, that, these, and those are pronouns that take the place of the noun crayon or crayons. Do you know what the word demonstrate means? It means to point out some or to show clearly. The pronouns this, that, these, and those point out or demonstrate which crayons you are talking about. We use the pronoun this when we are pointing out something singular that is close to us. And we use these for something that is plural. For example, do you like this picture? The picture here. The picture is close to you, so we say, do you like this picture? These flowers are for you. These flowers are close to you, so we say these flowers. We use the pronoun that when you are pointing out something singular that is far from you, and those for something that is plural. For example, do you like that picture? So that picture is singular, but it is far from you. Who are those people? Those, we use it for plural and far from you. Let's look at this picture and try to answer. Number 1, do you like these shoes? These shoes because the shoes are close to you. Who lives in that house? That house because singular, one house, and that, far from you. How much are these postcards? We use these because they are close to us, and postcards, plural. Look at those birds. Those because the birds are far from you. Number 5, excuse me, is this seat free? This seat because the seat is close to you. Number 6, these plates are dirty. These plates because they are close to you. The next picture, number 1, is this your bag? This because it is close to you. Is that your umbrella? Because the umbrella is far from you. So we say, is that your umbrella? Number 3, is this your book? Because the book is close to you. Number 4, are those your books? Because the picture is pointing. The books are far from you. Number 5, is that your bicycle? The bicycle is far from you. So we say, is that your bicycle? Number 6, are these your keys? The keys are close to you, so we use these. Number 7, are those your keys. The keys are far from you, so we use those. Number 8, is this your watch? The watch is close to you, so you ask, is this your watch? Number 9, are those your glasses? The glasses are far from you, so we say, are those your glasses? Number 10, are these your gloves? Because the gloves are close to you. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Leave a comment below if there is any grammar topic you'd like to learn. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to see more learning English videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.